Hello. So for my screencast for the project, I wanted to kind of show some of the film photos that I've taken in the past. I figured it would kind of be nice to talk about my interests a little bit more. So this is just my Google Photos folder that I have. That's just of stuff I've gotten developed in the past. Here I have just some pictures that I took while hiking a few months ago. This is just a nice one. This is in Wissahickon in Pennsylvania. It's the Wissahickon Creek, I believe. It's a fun place to hike. It was very hot this day. This is my partner also that day. Some other stuff I have. This folder has like other stuff from concerts that I've been to. This is not film, but just pictures that I took on a walk one day of this bridge near my apartment. I thought it'd be fun to take the shadows and then show them in black and white. I think it's really fun to kind of highlight that kind of thing. This is something that I just do for fun, but I've taken a class before, and I've kind of just grown to enjoy it more over time, even if it's not serious. It's just for fun. It's just something I really enjoy doing and trying out. Yeah, I got a digital camera for the first time that's like, really nice quality. Back in, I believe it was November, right around Black Friday, because it was cheaper. And it's just been fun to kind of walk around and explore the city I live in and, see what I can make of the things I see every day. So, I hope you enjoyed.